rectangle is similar to square. A square has 4 equal sides and one right angle, but a rectangle has 2 equal sides. Opposite sides are equal. These 2 sides are equal and these 2 sides are equal. So if this is x, this is x, and this is y, this is y, and a right angle. If there isn't any right angle, then this is not a rectangle. This is a parallelogram. So the area of rectangle is length into width x times y, and the perimeter is the sum of all sides. If you add these 2 sides and multiply it by 2, that's it. So 2 times x plus y is the perimeter. X plus y, these 2 sides, and multiply by 2. Okay, that's same thing. Sometimes you need to find out this diagonal distance. So again, using Pythagorean, b square is equal to x square plus y square. Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Okay, so we can have 2 different rectangles but same area, like this. 10 times 2, area is 20. 5 times 4, area is 20, but the perimeters are different. So sometimes this happens that he says 2 rectangles have same area. The dimensions of one are 10 and 2, and the dimensions of the other are 5 and x. So you can find x by taking the areas of both equal. This is how we'll solve our first question. Okay, let's move to that. First question is, what is the perimeter in meters of a rectangular playground 24 meter wide that has the same area as a rectangular playground 64 meter long by 48 meter wide? So there are 2 different rectangles. One is 24 meter wide and the other is 64 by 48. One is 64 meter wide and width is unknown, and the other is, one is 24 meter, it's not 64, it's 24 meter wide, and the dimensions of the second one are 64 and 48. 64 and 48. Because the area of 2 rectangles is same, so that's why area of the second one, area of the first one. But we need to find out the perimeter of this one. For that we need to find out the second side. So this is 24 times 2 and y is 128. Now the perimeter of this is 2 times x plus y. 2 times x is 24 and y is 128. So that is 304 meter. That's the perimeter of the first rectangle. Okay, so the answer is 304, that is A. Alright, question number 2 is an easy question. So question number 3 is, if a rectangular photograph that is 10 inches wide by 15 inches long is to be enlarged so that the width be 22 inches and the ratio of width to length will be unchanged, then the length in inches of the enlarged photograph will be. So actual length is 10 to 15 and width is 22. 10 and 15. So the smaller side is usually taken as width. So enlarged pictures width is 22 and the length is to be found. So this original length is taken as 10 to 15. 10 inches by 15 inches will be taken as the ratio of original picture, and this is the enlarged picture, the width. So what will be the length? If we are increasing the width, we must increase the length because we want to keep the ratio same. So this is direct relationship. So we'll cross in, multiply and cross. So 10x is equal to 15 times 22. So x is, that is the longer side. 5 times 2, 5 times 3, 2 times 11, that is 33 inches. So the longer picture will be 22 by 33. So the ratio will remain same. The ratio of 10 to 15 is 2 to 3, and the ratio of 22 to 33 will be same. 11 times 2, 11 times 3. See? So ratio will be unchanged. So this is how you do that. Okay? So question number, this was third, and the answer is 33. That is A.